Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to blur out a face, a brand name, or any sensitive part of a video, but didn't want to mess around with complicated editing software or expensive subscriptions, you're in the right place. Because in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can blur out any portion of your video for free using Canva. This is perfect for YouTube creators, teachers, or anyone who wants a quick privacy fix without the hassle. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple method for keeping parts of your video private, and you won't need any technical know-how to get it done. Let's jump right in. First, we're heading over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, it's free and really easy to sign up. Just open your browser, type canva.com and log in. Once you're in, look for that big Create a Design button in the top right corner. Click it and you'll see a bunch of options, but today we specifically want to work with video. So go ahead and select Video from the drop-down menu. This will set up your workspace with the correct dimensions and video-friendly tools. Now inside your new video project, it's time to bring in the footage you want to work with. For demonstration purposes, you can choose a sample video directly from Canva's Elements panel by clicking on Elements, then scrolling to find the video's category. If you have your own video, you can also upload it with the Upload tool, but grabbing a sample is a great way to practice. Once you have the video on your timeline, click to select it and make sure it's nice and centered on your canvas. Great, now let's talk about the blur. In Canva, they actually have a variety of blur elements that work perfectly for this purpose. So head back up to the Elements section and in the search bar type blur or blurred shape. You'll see a collection of blur graphics pop up. These often look like soft, hazy blobs or translucent squares. Pick one that matches the size and shape you need. Drag it onto your video and position it directly over the area you want to keep hidden. For example, if you need to blur out someone's face, make sure the blur element sits right on top of it. You can resize the blur by dragging its corners and even adjust the transparency if you want more or less coverage. Sometimes, though, one blur shape isn't quite enough. Maybe the thing you're hiding is a little larger or it's not a perfect square. Don't worry, Canva makes it easy to duplicate any element. Just click on your blur piece and then hit the duplicate button. Position your new copy right next to or overlap it with the first, and you can cover up as much of your video as needed. There's no limit to how many times you can do this, so you can get creative and stack several blurs for a stronger effect or cover weird shapes. Alright, before we move on, let's make sure everything's working as it should. Hit that play button in your Canva preview window. Watch the video through to make sure the blur element stays perfectly over the area you want to conceal the whole time, not just at the beginning. If it slips or only covers for a moment, pause, readjust, or even extend the timing of the blur so it lines up throughout your video's duration. Sometimes this part takes a few tweaks, so take your time. Accuracy is important, especially if you're dealing with privacy or copyright issues. And that's really it. Once you're happy with how it looks, just download your finished video and you're all set. See, you don't need fancy editing suites, just a few minutes in Canva and you've protected your sensitive details. I hope this was helpful for you. If you got something out of this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, just leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.